Hello guys, this is Chris from Crisp Digitals. I just wanted to do a quick video about this new planner that I'm making that I told you guys of in my previous video. This is the planner that I'm trying to make and also sell. Um, but I'm kind of conflicted about what kind of design you guys probably will like. So I've made like two different um, calendar in the month of May, just like this. I don't know if I should offer something like this as part of your purchase or the package you guys will get, or if I should just leave it blank. If I what I say when I say blank, I mean leave it blank. Like let's use this as an example, like blank like this, and you guys can fill up this by yourself with your own calendar modification, which again I'm going to show you guys step by step for those who don't know how to make a full weekly calendar. If you don't know how to make it like this, then I can also show you in the video tutorial that will come with your package or with your order. All right, so I'm thinking, should I leave this like this? Should I sell this just like this, that you guys can edit it? There will be editable files. Okay, you guys will be able to edit it using PowerPoint. All right, so if you want to change this to June, you'll be able to change it to June, within either your PowerPoint or within OneNote. Okay, all right, so and also the second design that I made is this. Okay, I want to know if you guys like this to come with your zip file when I upload it for you guys to download, to purchase. Would you like it to come like this, kind of a 3D effect, or to just come like this? Either way, guys, let me know. And the other one is in this. This is for the white background, like the white color, and this would be for the dark color or dark mode and white mode. Okay, so if you guys want this to be included, like this will be included, so this will be included anyways. This front page will be included right there, and of course the cover will be also included. Okay, so I'm thinking, should I include this, this, or this? Either way, if you guys choose this style, it's also going to come in the white background form anyways. But if you choose this, it's not going to come like this. It's going to come like this and like this, for people who would like to alternate between black background and light background. Okay, so this is just what I wanted to know before I keep creating this planner. And like I said before in the previous video, you guys can customize yours using OneNote. Okay, and I will provide videos on how you guys can create other pages. Like I decided to try this on again, so I linked this to the daily planner, and right here you can type for your date. You can type for your appointments. That's what I meant. Sorry, I got distracted by my phone. um, and here you can have your conversation log, where you can log in. I've done a video like this before, so I'm just kind of going back to let you know that this will still be the same. If you guys want me to well, anyways, this Arise Shine, it's kind of a SVG file which I converted into. So I made the letters and used the font that I used, and I converted it into a SVG into a PNG. Okay, so it's a PNG kind of background, so you just got to drop it like the way you would drop anything into OneNote, and right click to set it to a background. So that's what I did. I'm going to show you guys also in the video that will come in your file. Okay, and all these other ones also will come in your file. I already started making the files. All that is left for me to do now is to make the videos. Okay, the tutorials within your files, and I'll show you guys also how to have this clickable and how to take this to different pages. It's very easy to do. Show you guys how these things work. Okay, so these are like really simple planner, like straight to the points planner. All right guys, let me know in the link in the comments below if you would like just a simple planner, like a simple calendar like this to be included in your file, or if you want it to be a 3D effect, or like this. I kind of like the 3D effect, so I like it, every one of them. Actually, they're all nice, but if you guys would tell me which one you like, that would be great. All right, I use the black as an example, but they're all in their different colors. I have them all in their various colors. I didn't upload them here yet, but just like you saw the black one with the 3D, this one is going to have its own 3D, which I already did. Okay, so example like this already has its own 3D effect right here. All right, so let me know guys. I will keep you guys posted and talk to you guys later. Have a nice one guys, and God bless. Bye bye.